So this video is about how you can adjust the YouTube playback speed on iOS and Android. So it's like whenever you want to adjust the playback speed, like if you want to fast forward a video or slow it down, but it is only available on the YouTube desktop app. But with this trick, you can control the playback speed from your YouTube mobile app itself. So for this trick to work, all you have to do is just get the latest version of your YouTube application from the App Store. Just go head over to the App Store and just find the latest version and just update it. After that, just open the application. Right after you open the application, you will be greeted with an advertisement three-dotted section and just select the playback speed. Quit the video, open up a normal YouTube video, and then after you will click the three dot on the right hand side of the video, you will be greeted with the playback speed option. So with this trick, you have successfully got the playback speed option default on your YouTube mobile application. So I guess that's it for today's video. I'm sorry that I was not uploading any videos, but I think I will be consistent from now on. Let's hope. Okay, I'll be bringing more content like these and some other content as well. So stay tuned with this channel. Moreover, I'm planning to make the tricks for the calculator part 2 because the part 1 was very successful because it reached like 1 million viewers. So yeah, part 2 is on its way.